will be unwilling to raise as law-abiding citizens that children whom the divine providence will give you. Alright, next person, invitation to conduct this celebration. Please raise your right hand. You alright? Huh? You alright?
Sila na to pa.
Sige. Nerissa, do you take Ephraim her present for your local husband according to our laws? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you accept him as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Hi, Nerissa.
I, Nerissa, say Ephraim her present for my lawful husband to have and to hold, for the base paid for work, for better for work, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, and for death will.
Ephraim, do you take Nerissa her present for your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
I, Ephraim, take
I,
Ephraim.
Ephraim, take
Nerissa.
Nerissa her present for my local wife to have to hold this day forward for the better or for worse, for example, for sickness or health, and the way to us for it.
Well, really, alright, please stand up. Ano na yung parili? Yung mga ring na ng Nerissa. Kumain mo agad. Oh, sige. Oh. Yeah, so Nerissa siya. Yan, Nerissa, I give you this ring. Sige. Please. Please. Sige. Ngayon ko na, Nerissa, I give you this ring.
Nerissa, I give you this ring, where it is remind for our vows and love, commitment and fidelity, and that we can trust me all the days of my life. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Okay. Ikaw sa Nerissa. Ephraim, I give you this ring. Oh, sige, hold this up.
Ephraim, I give you this ring, wear it as a reminder of my vows and love, commitment and fidelity, and that you can trust me all the days of my life. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Okay, so, nakopte na Ephraim. Kopte na yung aras. Nasote na. Nerissa, I give you this aras. Sige.
Nerissa, I'll give you this aras as a pledge of my dedication to our welfare and children's well-being and security in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Ingatan na niya. Alright. By virtue of the authority vested in me by law, I now confirm this bond of marriage in the presence of the witnesses and all the persons here gathered. I now pronounce you man and wife. Alright, to seal this bond of matrimony, the groom will now kiss the wife.
Kana magpirma sila nila, baka na magpirma sila.
Ako ato. Duwi ang gali adong.